Hello, it's Organic Worm Castings by Soto, and I'm just showing you my worm castings. It's harvest time. So that's what I'm showing you today. I'm going to take out the worms, separate them from their beautiful black gold castings. We'll go ahead and look at them together. Be right back. Still have the worms in the bin, so I'll have to go ahead and remove them. And then, being that my worm castings is moist, by the time I get all the worms removed, the castings should be ready. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you how I get a new worm bin started. I'm going to go ahead and take the worms out of this 3-gallon worm bin. It's just a small worm bin if you don't want to get into a bigger one. And I'll start a new worm bin and I'll show you the process. But I think the castings are looking really nice. And I hope you follow along and see how I start a new one.